Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about parts that are quite cheap, easy to change and that last quite a long time, but that almost never check them because they think they are not important or because it is very difficult to detect if they are in bad condition with the naked eye. One of the first parts we are going to check is the fuel cap. This part is not only useful to prevent gas from being stolen, but it is also important to check it because I bet you that almost nobody checks it. The gas cap helps maintain the pressure in the tank so that the sensors can work properly and give the correct readings at the time of the scan. The easiest way to tell if a gas cap is not working is to look closely and see if the seal is cracked or too hard. If this is the case, the gas cap should be replaced. When the seal is not working, we lose gasoline in the form of vapor and we have to refuel more fuel. The second part we are going to check is the PSB valve. This valve is always located in the valve cover or in the monoblock, and it is quite easy to know if it works or not. The first thing we will do is take it out. Then we are going to shake it and we have to hear a rattle. If it sounds smooth, the valve is working, and if it sounds stuck, the valve is not working. The other way to test it is that we can blow from the part that goes to the engine to the other side. What happens? The air should not pass from one side to the other, but if we do it the other way around, it should happen. If the air goes from the motor to the lines, it means that the PSB valve is bad. The last part we are going to check is the radiator cap. This is one of the parts that people almost never change, but it has a very important function. The cap generates the correct pressure when the car is cold and when the engine is hot. If the spring in the cap does not work because it is expired, we can have overheating problems, and all because of a simple cap. Not everything is about sensors because there are failures that the scanners cannot detect because they are mechanical parts. So I recommend that you take a look at these parts, as it won't take you more than 10 minutes to check them. The good thing is that they are quite inexpensive and super easy to change. I hope you liked the video and that it was helpful. Leave me your failures in the comments, subscribe for more content like this, and see you next time.